What's up, everyone? In today's video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stat modeling program. Looking at the market from this week, there was a lot of mixed movement. We could see that the market has been selling off in a pretty big way over the past couple weeks, as there has been a ton of fear in the financial sector, especially with these bank stocks and other types of financial stocks. So, we've seen those types of stocks getting just destroyed, while we're seeing some other stocks like, some of these big tech stocks like Meta, Nvidia, Google, stuff like that, actually hold up in a pretty nice way. So basically what that means for the market is choppy movement. So we're seeing good moves out of individual industries, but for the whole market, it's pretty choppy. So with that being said, let's get right into this week's recap. So the swings have been working pretty good in terms of like new updates and stuff. Really, the main new update is KBH. We do have a bearish play on this one. It does have earnings coming up, but I've seen quite a lot of bearish options activity from the big money, not only with KBH, but other home builders. So we'll see how that goes with the earnings, but overall, the risk reward setup on this one is pretty good, and it's been working pretty well so far, and we did end up rolling this play to get some more time out to April. So that's always great to see. Besides that, there are not really too many other updates for the swings. So let's get right into the bot plays. So looking at the bot over the past couple weeks, there haven't been any like absolute grand slams. It's been pretty, I guess you can just say, there have been a decent amount of plays that, pop for, let's say 16% or 17% or 20% or 21% or 26%. And there have also been plays that don't pop at all given the market we're in. So, every couple of plays we have, a nice runner, whether it be 48% or maybe 61% or something like that. But over the past couple of weeks, the movement has definitely been different than basically what we've been seeing over the past couple of months. And that just has to do with how we're seeing some areas in the market, like let's say Google and Microsoft and other tech stocks, rocket to the upside, where we're seeing bank stocks get clobbered. Creates like a weird dynamic. And, that's how the market is right now. And there's nothing that can really be done about it. It's just, how the market is sometimes. As weeks go on, I assume that more and more of the movement will be more, I guess you could just say together, if that makes sense. Meaning, right now we're in a weird situation where we have some stocks going up, some going down. But I imagine as the weeks go by, we'll see, just more stocks either falling or more stocks falling. So the movement out of the SPY is more consistent. So instead of there being choppy movement, there will be less choppy movement and more powerful movement in either direction. It's just a matter of getting over this recent crazy news out of these bank stocks. So the main thing to know is that this choppy movement should end over the next couple weeks as more news comes out. But last but not least, we have to take a look at some of the short put plays. If you do not short put options, I strongly recommend it. It is the best strategy out there. When done correctly, you literally get paid to buy stocks you want to own for the long term. There's no strategy out there that can beat it. I think it's great. Like I said, you literally get paid to buy stocks that you want to own. If you need any help with this, feel free to ask Tom, Hunter, or myself in the StockedUp Discord chat. Basically, find a stock you like, find a price that you'd be comfortable owning that stock at, and then consider selling a put option on that stock. And from there are many ways to manage that strategy, but it's definitely awesome. And you should definitely check it out if you haven't already. Besides that, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's have an amazing week.